The U.S. Supreme Court on Tuesday knocked down a bid by North Carolina Republican lawmakers trying to wrest greater control of federal elections in a 6-3 ruling that has major implications for the American democratic process. The case arose after North Carolina's Republican-controlled legislature approved a new voting map reflecting population changes after the 2020 U.S. Census. Democrats accuse them of drawing districts designed to dilute Democratic voting power. The state's Supreme Court agreed with Democrats and struck down that map. A new one was drawn up by a bipartisan group of experts and used in the November 2022 elections. But Republicans took the case to the U.S. Supreme Court, arguing a once marginal legal theory called the independent state legislature doctrine meant that under the Elections Clause of the U.S. Constitution, state lawmakers had absolute control over federal elections beyond the oversight of state courts. The doctrine has gained ground among conservatives and Republican politicians who have passed new laws and restrictions in numerous states they have said are aimed at combating voter fraud. These efforts accelerated after former President Donald Trump falsely claimed that the 2020 election was stolen from him through widespread voting fraud. Critics of the doctrine warned it would allow state lawmakers broad powers to draw maps and restrict access to voting. Chief Justice John Roberts panned the argument, writing for the majority that the Elections Clause does not insulate state legislatures from the ordinary exercise of state judicial review.